try to play it, but you're never gonna beat me.
In this video, we will show you how to add auto animation for image media on Wondershare Filmora video editor. On Wondershare Filmora video editor, in default mode, when we add some image, the appearance look like this. There is no animation and it's like not good for us to edit one by one like this. In here, you can select auto animation for image. When you click on the timelines or add on the timelines, it automatically adding pan and zoom animation. To do that, you need to go to files and choose preference, and then for editing tab, select photo placement to pan and zoom, and then click OK. After that, when you add some image, it will have animation effect with pan and zoom like this. And you cannot, or you don't need to add the effect manually again. Hope this video helpful for you.